Hey guys, we're going car camping again and we're gonna do a tour. Let's go. You can really
So is it better that it's fresca mode?
She took it all out.
Like, grab the instructions for me.
And she looked like so small from this angle. First, we have our awning. This is a new addition to our car camping. This is actually the first time we set it up as well. It was pretty easy. You just roll it out, stake it. We have our welcome mat. It's Aloha America, and you got to take off your sandals for this. Then we just have 2 hiking sticks. These are for safety reasons. And then we have 2 rocks holding down the mat just to make sure that it doesn't fly away at night. Welcome inside our awning. It's really spacious in here. We have 3 chairs right now. This spot is a really nice place to just relax. And then we also have the fairy lights up as well. We haven't turned it on to see how it looks, but I'm pretty sure it'll look really nice at night. Right here we have our cooler, a big upgrade than our previous one. Since we have 4 people coming this camping trip, we had to upgrade and bring more food. It's double the size and it has wheels as well. We have a trunk tent and it's by Hasika. It was a bit hard to put on because Ted is a bit high and the tires were far away, but we had to stretch it out and put it on. We have a covering on top. Once you lift it up, we have a mesh covering so that the bugs don't come in, but you still get that fresh air. Let's open this. Welcome inside our bedroom. We have 2 sleeping bags that we open so we could use as blankets because we want to make sure we're warm tonight. Since we have the trunk open, we're going to have a lot of fresh air. But we're sleeping 3 to a bed, so pretty sure we'll have a lot of body heat. We have our mattress as well. Super comfy. It makes the camping experience much, much better. Welcome to our main dining table for our campsite. We have our little propane stovetop, which Angie, our cook, is going to be in charge of, but of course we're going to be the sous chefs. This is our dinner for tonight. It's marinated carne asada. We're having tacos. We have towels, which is a must-have. We got our ingredients for guac: avocado, tomato, jalapeno, red onion, lime.
Hey gang, so I want to show you what's in our box. We got the aluminum foil, the propane. This is the thing that people wear when they get married. Okay, next we got the baked good noodle, the shin noodle. This is a marshmallow stick, but
is that mine?
No, it was mine.
Oh.
If you see, we have a fire restriction, so we can't use it this time. Then we got trash bag, gallon bags, and then a chopping board. I know microplastics, but this came with my cooler, so I just use it. And we also have plastic wrap, more noodles, an air pump, chopsticks, and then over here we got the anchor. Okay, I'm just gonna pass this over to Britt now.
Tongs and scissors, wooden cutting board, snacks, more ramen of course, our cooler, and you guys know what this is. Just kidding guys, it's just a flashlight. We got our Awala for hydration. It has cold ice water in here that we brought from home. This is the main thing we need, power bank from Anchor. The battery health on this lasts a long time. Last but not least, what you need is a washing station. So we have our gloves, our soap, our sponge. This is a portable washing station from Walmart. You just turn it and you're able to drain the water and close it so that it retains in here. So this is our campsite. It's very nice, and if you guys see that it's a little familiar, it's because we came here before in this vlog, so you guys could watch that. We're just gonna make dinner, chill, relax, get in touch with nature again, because you always need that once in a while.
Thank you for Angie and Brittany for inviting me to this trip. I start work on Monday, and yeah.
Every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes. Ruth 'cause I know you might even wonder why I go MIA sometimes. I can't deny. Try to hold on to the things I
Holy smoke. Yeah, what the heck? Oh my god. You could really see how slanted you guys are. I would have less
Yes.
yummy. And then he gets massive diarrhea.
Mom rich. Your mom will live forever.
Oh,
really?
yeah.
That was like a cool, risky one. It's like, let me think about that.
Oh,
Oh, I didn't say anything about this one. This one is Brittany's gonna get a mosquito bite.
bro.
Angie has to shower today.
I said, how about this booger?
Ew, Ange, that is so disgusting. And this is why we need this. Oh my god. Yeah. The battery.
This is actually
Bro.
Yeah, I'm cutting it.
Is it off? Shoot, man, this got a lot of settings.